Welcome to Nichols Vision. My name is Peter. I'm a car guy. It's 2 Minute Tuesday. This is a 964. Roll the intro. Welcome to another installment of 2 Minute Tuesday. If you're new to the channel, this is a series where I find interesting cars and people, and I give them 2 minutes to do a build breakdown. Now you're probably asking why 2 minutes? It's because people's attention span is very little and it's 2021, so you're welcome. This week we have Jared's 964, and I'm excited about this one because it's something that I've seen around and I've always wanted to get more information on it. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock, and it's your turn, Jared.
Hi, my name is Jared, and this is my 1989 964 Coupe. When I bought this car, the original goal was to build a car that was kind of a mild street car, as well as take to the grocery store, go to dinner with my wife, and take it up to the canyons. First thing that sticks out is probably the custom paint job. It's Porsche gray black color. This car originally came as a black and tan car, and now it's a gray black color with a full custom black interior. Originally the car came with a tan interior. We did a full swap to black. We did Recaro pull positions in leather, and we did lightweight RS carpet, we did RS door cards, and we did a rear seat delete. There's little small knickknacks as well in there, such as some Runline accents and a Momo Cup steering wheel. For suspension, the car sits a lot lower here. We got an H&R coilover kit, ground control top hats, new bushings all around on the control arms and the trailing arms. We got a Sleeper Speed Shop strut bar up front. As far as wheels and tires, I got a custom set of Volt T37s, which is pretty rare to see on a Porsche 911, and it's wrapped in Falcon Azeni tires. So this car has a stock 3.6 that I rebuilt in 2016. I did add some bolt-ons, intake header exhaust, a Steve Wong chip. The car runs pretty great. Stock came about 250 horsepower. I'm gonna guess it's at 275 now. So future plans for this car is just to drive it, enjoy it, connect with the community, and just have as much fun as I can with it.
All right, so that was Jared and his immaculate 964. If you like content like this, consider subscribing and liking, and it helps the channel grow. If you have any comments about the car, make sure to leave them down below. Also, follow me on Instagram. It should be in the description. I post content daily. So thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for more next week, and I'll see you next time. Peace.